Hello everyone, I Vikas Kacha Patel from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa, Standard 12 Science, Subject Mathematics. Today I will start chapter number 1, Relation and Function. Exercise 1.1, question number 1 and 2. Let question number 1. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetry and transitive. First, relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on 13, 14 defined as relation R is equal to order pair xy where 3x minus y is equal to 0. First of all, we check reflexive, symmetric and transitive. What is reflexive relation? So for every A belongs to set A, if A belongs to R is called reflexive relation. Okay. Next, symmetric relation. Symmetric relation means for every AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. Next, transitive relation. Transitive relation means AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC belongs to R. Okay. So first of all, here set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on 13 and 14. Okay. Here R is equal to order pair xy, 3x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Here 3x minus y is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 3x. Okay. So let x equal to 1. Okay. So let x equal to 1. So then y is equal to 3. Okay. X equal to 2. So y is equal to 3 to the 6. X equal to 3, so then y is equal to 3 3 is 9, okay, and x equal to 4, so y is equal to 4 3 is 12, okay. So relation R is equal to order pair 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 12, okay. So first of all, check here reflexive relation. So reflexive relation 1 1 does not belongs to R, okay. So 1 1 does not belongs to R, so therefore R is not reflexive relation, okay. Next, also 1 3 belongs to R. 1 3 belongs to R, but 3 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric relation. Okay. Transitive relation. So here transitive relation, so 1 3 belongs to R and 3 9 belongs to R. So therefore 1 9 does not belongs to R. Okay, 1 9 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not transitive relation. Hence, R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive relation. Okay. Next, second number, relation R in the set capital N of natural number defined as relation R is equal to order pair xy where y is equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. Okay. Here every x belongs to capital N means natural number set. Okay. So let x less than 4. That means x equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So here relation R is equal to y is equal to x plus 1. So let x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 plus 5 means 6. The first pair 1 6. Let x equal to 2. So then y is equal to 2 plus 5 means 7. Okay, to second pair 2 7. Let x equal to 3. So then y is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The third pair 3 8. So here listing method, the relation R is equal to order pair 1 6 2 7 3 8. Okay. Here set natural number set. So for every AA belongs to N. So here 1 1 does not belongs to R in relation. Okay. So therefore R is not reflexive relation. Okay. Next 1 6 belongs to R. Here 1 6 belongs to R. But 6 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric relation. Okay. Now here 1 6 belongs to R and 2 7 belongs to R and 3 8 belongs to R. Okay, that means here 1 6 belongs to R. That means 1 assigned with 6, 1 assigned with 6, but 6 does not assign with any element. Okay, 6 does not assign with any element. Next pair 2 7. Okay, so 2 assigned with 7, 2 assigned with 7, but 7 does not assign with any element. Next pair 3 8 belongs to R. Okay, so 3 assigned with 8, but 3 does not, 3 assigned with 8, but 8 does not assign with any element. Okay, so hence we can do joint any two assignment to get any extend relation. Okay, so hence transitive is not contradict here, so therefore R is transitive relation. Okay, so therefore R is neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is transitive relation. Okay, next third number. Okay, relation R in the set A is equal to, set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 as R is equal to order pair xy, where y is divisible by 6. Here relation, okay, set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and relation R is equal to order pair xy, where y is divisible by x. Okay, so we know that any number of x is divisible by itself. First of all, here given relation R is equal to order pair xy, y is divisible by x in set builder form. So first convert first convert listing method. So listing method, so there are R is equal to order pair 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Okay, next 2 is divisible by 2, 2 2 2 4 2 6 3 3 3 6 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. Okay, so first we know that any number of x is divisible by x means itself. Okay, so there implies xx belongs to R, so therefore R is reflexive. Okay, here 2 4 belongs to R, that means 4 is divisible by 2. Okay, but 4 2 does not belongs to R. Order pair 4 2 does not belongs to R because 2 is not divisible by 4, so therefore R is not symmetric. Okay, then let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. That means y is divisible by x and z is divisible by y. So implies x order pair xz belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive relation. Okay, so hence R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, next question number 4. Relation R in the set Z of all integer defined as R is equal to order pair xy, where x minus y is an integer. Okay, so here first question number 4. So here given set Z integer number set. Okay, and relation R is equal to order pair xy, x minus y is an integer. Okay, so first check reflexive property. So reflexive property for every x belongs to capital Z, so therefore x minus x is equal to 0. So 0 is in integer number, so therefore R is reflexive relation. Okay, R is reflexive relation. Next symmetric relation. Okay, so for every xy belongs to R. Okay, for every xy belongs to R, so therefore x minus y is integer number, so therefore minus common, so then minus common, so minus bracket y minus x is in integer, so therefore y minus x is integer. Okay, so therefore y x belongs to R. Okay, y x belongs to R. So therefore R is symmetric relation. Next, transitive relation. Okay, so transitive relation, xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. Xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. That means x minus y is integer and y minus z is in integer. So then integer plus integer integer, so x minus y plus y minus z. Okay, so is equal to plus minus y cancel out, so is equal to x minus z. So therefore x order pair xz belongs to R. So therefore R is transitive relation. Okay, so therefore R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay, next question number 5. Relation R in the set A of human being in a town at particular time given by. Here relation R set A, so set A means human being in town in a particular time. Okay, particular time given. Okay, so first relation A is equal to, okay, first relation A, so R is equal to order pair x y. X and y work at the same place. Okay, तो फर्स्ट रिलेशन चेक करिए. तो फर्स्ट रिलेशन, ओके, R is equal to order pair x y where x and y work at the same place. Okay, तो here x and y work at the same place. तो फर्स्ट x y x x belongs to R, y x x belongs to R. तो x and x तो सेम पर्सन, तो सेम पर्सन तो at the same place. Okay, so therefore R is reflexive relation. Okay, next, if xy belongs to R, xy belongs to R, that means x and y work at the same place. So implies the x and y work at the same place, so that means implies y and z work at the same place. So implies y x belongs to R. So therefore R is symmetric relation. Now let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. That means x and y work at the same place and y and z work at the same place. Here x and y work at the same place and y and z work at the same place. So that means x and z work at the same place. So implies xz belongs to R. So therefore R is transitive relation. So therefore R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay, next, R is equal to order pair xy where x and y live in the same locality. Okay, so clearly xx belongs to R as x and x is the same human being, therefore R is reflexive. Okay, next, if xy belongs to R, so then x and y live in the same locality. Okay, the x and y live in the same locality, so implies y and x live in the same locality. Okay, so implies y x belongs to R. So therefore R is symmetric relation. Okay, now let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. That means x and y live in the same locality and y and z live in the same locality. Okay, so therefore x and z live in the same locality, so implies xz belongs to R. So therefore R is transitive relation. Okay, so here R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay, next, here see R is equal to order pair x y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Okay, here given relation x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. That means x equal to y plus 7. Okay, so then xx does not belongs to R because human being x cannot be taller than himself. Okay, so therefore R is not reflexive relation. Now let xy belongs to R. That means x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. So then y is not taller than x. Okay, so therefore yx does not belongs to R. Okay, next, if xy belongs to, okay, so if x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y, so then y is exactly 7 centimeter shorter than x. So therefore R is not symmetric relation. xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R. Okay, that means x is exactly 70 centimeter taller than y and y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. Okay, so therefore here x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y, that means x equal to y plus 7. Okay, and next y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z, so that means y is equal to x z plus 7. Okay, so now first x is equal to y plus 7, so put up value y is equal to z plus 7, so then x equal to 7 plus 7 plus z, so that means x is equal to 14 plus 7, so that means x is exactly 14 centimeter taller than z. Okay, so therefore xz does not belongs to R, so therefore R is not transitive relation. So hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive relation. Okay, next here given relation R is equal to order pair xy where x is the wife of y. Okay, x is the wife of y. So now xx belongs to xx does not belongs to R because x is the wife of x is possible, not possible. Okay, so therefore xx does not belongs to R since x cannot be the wife of him herself. Okay, so therefore R is not reflexive relation. Now let xy belongs to R, that means x is the wife of x, so clearly y is not the wife of x because y is husband, okay, of x. Okay, so therefore yx does not belongs to R. Okay, so therefore R is not transitive relation. Let xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R, that means x is the wife of y. Okay, and y is the wife of z. This case is not possible because here x is the wife of y. Okay, x is the wife of y and y is the wife of z, so here y one time husband and one time wife is not possible, so this case is not possible. Also there does not imply that x is the wife of z, so therefore xz does not belongs to R, so therefore R is not transitive relation. Hence the R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive relation. Okay, next question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set capital R of real numbers defined as R is equal to order pair AB where A less than equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive relation. Okay, so here R is equal to order pair AB where A less than equal to B square. Okay, so first suppose let 1 2 order pair 1 2 belongs to does not belongs to R. Okay, since 1 2 greater than 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4, so that means 1 2 greater than 1 by 4, so therefore R is not reflexive relation. Okay, now 1 4 belongs to R. Okay, here 1 4 belongs to R because 1 less than equal to 4 square means 1 less than equal to 4 square means 16, so 1 less than equal to 16 is possible. Okay, so 1 4 belongs to R, but 4 is not less than 1 square. Okay, 4 is not less than 1 square because 4 less than not equal to 1. Okay, so therefore 4 1 does not belongs to R, so therefore R is not symmetric relation. Now 3 2 belongs to R and 1.5 belongs to R. Here 3 2 belongs to R, that means 3 less than 2 square means 3 less than equal to 4. Okay, it's possible. And next 2 less than equal to 1.5 square. Okay, so 2 less than equal to 1.5 square means 2 less than equal to 2.25. Okay, it's possible. But 3 1.5 does not belongs to R because 3 greater than 1.5 square, okay, means 3 greater than 2.25. So therefore 1.5 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not transitive relation. So hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive relation. Okay. You are interested to contact our school Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School and Sadkeval Vidya Mandir. Thank you very much. Okay.